What if I tell you that you have what it takes to change your life, redesign your life, and create your life, taking it from boring, unfulfilled to purposeful, to passion, to fulfillment, to joy, waking up each day excited for life? What if I tell you that's possible? Would you believe me? Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yasheika Turner, and on this channel, we talk about thriving in life rather than surviving. Now, in our topic for today, we're going to talk about how you can level up and redesign your life, taking you from bored, unfulfilled to excitement, living a life that you don't want to take any vacation from, creating your own lifestyle, waking up each morning feeling, yes, I'm ready to conquer today, rather than trying to motivate yourself to get up out of bed, to go on in the same routine on and on. So again, another day, getting up out of bed, trying to motivate yourself to get dressed, get ready, and go to work. While driving, you're asking yourself, is this really life? Is this really it for you at this time in your life? Yes, I know you're grateful for the house, the car, the career, and all that stuff that you have built throughout the years. But deep down, you know that you were created for more. But you just can't seem to figure it out. You're wondering, you're thinking, and you're asking yourself, what is it? What can I really do to make my life feel more purposeful, more fulfilled? Then you arrive at work, driving in the parking lot, delaying as much as possible to avoid going into work again, stuck in an office or maybe a cubicle. And this has been a routine for the past 5, 10, 15 years. Waiting for the clock to hit 5 o'clock or 4:30, whatever it is, to get up, drive back home, and you're in this routine over and over and over again. Leaving questions again, feeling unfulfilled because you're tired and you're sick of this life. Is that you? Does that sound familiar? Let's talk about it. I know exactly how you are feeling. Why? Because I was her. I was that girl. Yes, I've been a nurse for the past going on to 20 years maybe. But after a while, it started to feel like a routine. And after praying for all the things that I wanted, the family, the house, the car, the career, after achieving all these goals, now I'm left to see, okay, what's it? There must be something else in life rather than living this life like a routine, like a cycle, going, going, going. And I want to help you to create your life, to take you from boring to fulfillment. Are you ready for it? Let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do to redesign your life, you need to ask yourself, what is it that you really want? What is it? What does an ideal life would look like to you right now? Think about it. Maybe you'll need to pause this video and get a pen and paper and write it all out. What does an ideal lifestyle look like to you? And after you figure that out, now ask yourself, where are you right now to that ideal lifestyle that you would want to create, right? So from the gap in between, where are you right now? What can you do differently to take you there to that next level that you desire? For example, for me, when I was at this stage in my life, this was exactly what I did. I sat down and I journaled. What does an ideal lifestyle would look like for me? Now, being a nurse, working 12-hour shifts, weekends, holidays, I know that that wasn't the lifestyle that I wanted. So what I did, at that time, I started to search for other jobs within nursing that I could work Monday to Friday and have holidays off, have weekends off to have more time with my family, right? So you look and see what is it different that you can do, that you want to do to achieve the lifestyle that you want. Now, after working maybe 3-4 years within that role, Monday to Friday, again, I felt like it was feeling like a routine again. So now I had to go back and reassess my life to say, okay, what does my next level looks like? And for me at the time, my next level looks like working maybe 3 days per week, having more time, more freedom, more flexibility, and more fulfillment. So what did I do? I went and I looked into entrepreneurship. And that's how I started this journey of real estate, YouTube, and doing other stuff to take me to that place that I want to be. That's that next level in life. So for you, you're going to ask yourself the same thing, and you're going to do that same thing. Write out what does the ideal version of your next level looks like. Number two, after you identify that, what you really want, next you're going to say, okay, what are the things that I'm doing now that are not in alignment with the next version of yourself, the next level of your life, the life that you want to live? What is it? What are the things that you're doing now that are not taking you on that path to where you want to go? For example, again, when I was working Monday to Fridays, well, I'm still working Monday to Fridays, I picked up a part-time nursing job. And that nursing job, I figured, okay, I could work maybe Sundays, do a few hours, or some evenings after leaving work, I could go and do a few hours. Now, when I picked up that part-time job, they started asking me for my schedule. Oh, can you work Christmas Day? Can you work Boxing Day? All the holidays that I did not want to work, because that was not in alignment with the plan and the lifestyle that I wanted to live. No, I gave up that job, and I was talking to a coworker of mine, and she was saying, "But you are a nurse, Yasheika, you are a nurse." I was saying, "Yes, I am a nurse, and that's not the lifestyle that I see myself going in. That's not the next level of my life that I've envisioned, that I've created." So I gave up that job. So what are the things that you are doing right now that might inhibit or get in the way of the things that you want to do, the things that you want to achieve? Again, I know I wanted to work 3 days per week, so I started doing entrepreneurship, looking outside the box, preparing myself for the next level. So you now have to assess, start saying no, whether that looks like a relationship that you are in, whether that looks like a career that you are in, whatever situation that you're in right now, start saying no, start letting go, and start doing things differently to be her, the next version of her. Right? If you're getting anything from this video, please go ahead and hit the subscription button. And while you're at it, please hit the notification bell also, so you won't miss my next video to come. And let me know in the comments, what are you working on? What does the next version of you looks like? What would be a goal that you want to accomplish being the next version of yourself? Let me know in the comments. So the next thing, number 3, what you're going to do, now you're going to create a plan. Creating a plan, you work backwards, right? So looking at yourself and see what does the next level looks like, you start working backwards. Again, for example, for me, I know that my next level looks like working 3 days per week, having the flexibility and the freedom to do the things that I enjoy doing. So what I did, I started looking into entrepreneurship. And this was 2-3 years ago, looking into entrepreneurship. When I started looking into entrepreneurship, I started looking into nursing, what I could do within nursing. No, first of all, let's back up a bit. First of all, I was in between going to get my master's or starting a business. I know that going to get my master's, that would put me back into the category of working Monday to Fridays, which would take away my freedom that I'm working towards. So instead of going to get my master's or going further in nursing, I decided to start the entrepreneurship journey instead. Because for me, my ideal lifestyle looks like freedom. For you, your ideal lifestyle might look like going up the leadership ladder, climbing up the ladder, right? Up the corporate ladder, nursing ladder, whatever profession you are in. So you choose which one works best for you. So I worked backwards. I started looking into other things that I could do that could give me that freedom and that flexibility. Now I started life coaching. I went and I got my real estate license, because with that, that's a profession that I work independently, working from home, giving me the time freedom, giving me the option to choose the type of clients that I want to work with and the time when I want to work. Say, for example, I want to do seasonal, no working throughout the summertime. I have that option. So that was a flexibility, what I wanted with. Initially, when I started business, the first business idea that I started was a t-shirt business. Now, after doing that t-shirt business, I realized that that wasn't the business model I wanted, because I was printing shirts from home, packing and shipping shirts. So then I knew I did not want a brick and mortar sort of business. I wanted an online business, work from home business. I'm in Canada, winter time, I can go somewhere. I can go back to Jamaica for a month, for a few months, few weeks, whatever it is, and still work, still having a source of income. So that's why I did coaching, I did real estate, and I'm doing YouTube, right? So that's working backwards. So the next couple years down the road, I can be working 3 days per week as a nurse, casual, or whatever I choose to do. So that's how you're going to organize your life, where you want to go, and you plan and work backwards to achieve that goal. Am I making any sense? Let me know in the comments if that makes sense. Make sense. Write that in the comments. Let me know. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to find mentors or coaches that will help you to get on your journey. Now, the purpose of having a mentor or a coach is to help you to get there faster, because they have been through that journey, through that process. They know the mistakes, they know what to avoid, and they know the fastest route to get there. So identify different mentors, identify coaches, identify persons who are on the journey, or who are already where you want to be. For example, again, when I started with life coaching, I had some life coaches who I looked up to as mentors. So what I did, I invested my time and money within their coaching programs. So two of my favorite life coaches are Coach Kelly J and Courtney Saunders. So what I did, paid my money to be in the rooms with them, right? To get where they are, to get the knowledge and the experience from their coaching program. So now you have to look to see, okay, where do I want to be? Who can mentor me? Invest in them. That's how you're going to get there faster. If you cannot afford the coaching programs, find books, go find YouTube channels, find other things that can help you to get there faster, right? So that's the other one. And lastly, with these big goals, with these big steps, and with these big ideas, you have to break them down into manageable bite-sized pieces. It will take time to design this lifestyle. It won't be a microwave effect, right? It takes time. So have the patience, endure it, and you will get there, creating the ideal life of your dreams. Thank you so much for watching, and check out this last video here. I did this I think it was a few months ago, where I did it to help you to know what you really want. So go ahead and check it out. If you watched that video and you still decided, you know what, I still can't figure it out, I need more clarity, I need accountability, then I will put the link for you to schedule a coaching session with me to help you to get that clarity, that confidence, and to be your accountability partner. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.